Problem 19, print 2023, AMC 10A. The problem reads: a line segment formed by 1, 2, and 3, 3 is rotated. The line segment formed by 3, 1, and 4, 3. About the point RS. What is R minus S? So, we have a graph. This is just a rough sketch, so bear in mind. So we have a 1, 2, so roughly 1, 2 there, 3, 3 roughly there, 3, 1 roughly there, and 4, 3 roughly there. So that's the 2 line segments. A, B, E prime, B prime. Wait, is that right? Is that right? Yeah, okay. So we have a point P. So point P. And if you notice that the distance between here and here is always going to be equal. The distance between here and here is always going to be equal because we're rotating, okay? Which means we preserve distances, right? So that's how it works. Moreover, these two are equivalent. They're equivalent because when you rotate, you don't change the distance. It's not like a distortion. You're not distorting or reconstruing or like, I don't know, compressing the image. The image stays the same, if you get what I'm saying. So that means because the two distances are equal, right? Just by logic, implicit logic, and obviously just common sense when you think about it, that tells us that distance from A to P, the same thing as A prime to P. Distance from B to P, same thing as B prime to B. So we can just set up an equation using distance formula. So we could do the square root. So 1 minus squared plus 2 minus s squared equals square of 3 minus r squared plus 1 minus squared, and then we can another one. So we can have a, for now, B prime, so we could have 3 minus r squared plus 3 minus squared equals 4 minus squared plus 3 minus squared. So obviously we're just going to take the square root of, we just square both sides, remove the square root for both of them, and we just can eliminate the 3 minus s squared on both sides. We're left with this, so and then we're left with what seems like this equation. So we can solve this. So we get 16 minus 8r plus r squared is the same thing as 9 minus 6r plus r squared. That's just expanding it using my head. So 7, 2r, so r equals 7 over 2, which is the same thing as 3.5. And now we can plug that in. So we can do, minus 2.5 is the same thing, negative 2.5, so 2.5 squared, which would be 6.25. And then we would have, so 6.25 plus 2 minus s squared equals 2.5 squared should be 0.25 plus 1 minus s squared. Okay, cancel this with this. We get 6.00 plus squared is something as 1 minus s squared. So we get 4 minus 4r plus s squared equals 1 minus 2r plus s squared. So we can obviously get 2r. So we get 3 equals 2r, so r. Did I do that right? Plus 6, 10, and then we have 10. So it'd be 9 there. It should be 9. And then to cancel this, so 9 equals 2r. R equals 9 over 2. Just means the absolute value of r minus s would be, so r is 7 over 2, so 7 over 2 minus 9 over 2, same thing as 1. And we're done.